Sorry, Bruce and Novi, somewhere in there the camera stopped working. I don't know why. These things happen. So basically today what we got done, so we've got the energy traveling better up and down the spinal cord. So the kundalini's working a bit better energetically, less blocked. We've got the centering mechanisms up and running. The atlas is back in place, so the head's sitting on the neck, on the shoulders better. The atlas was being pulled out because of the trauma associated with the loss of your dad and that sort of thing as well. When we flipped you over, it was very much, oh yeah, your gates were right out. So when I turned the feet into the center, the right foot was up like a crazy thing, and your arms, the arm length was out by inches. So, and that's all balanced now as well. So there was a deep hidden survival pattern in there. There was a third stage celestial circuit. So basically there was chronic fatigue of your celestial circuit, which connects your conscious and unconscious. And of course, guess what? We don't get stuck in the conscious brain. We get stuck in the conscious brain. We get stuck in the unconscious, which is all about survival. Wouldn't it be lovely to get stuck in the conscious brain and be in here and now all day, every day?
Yeah, gosh, I just want to sleep and you do.
Anyway, so then we found some really big trust issues, and the big ages were really around the time of the loss of your dad, and around that 5, 6, 7 months old. So that was creating some big trauma, because at the time you realised, and this isn't taking anything away from what your parents were doing, but you get to that spot where you realise, okay, I'm the only person that I can trust in the world. And that's a big, hard lesson to learn. So at that time, starting to build up blame, but the blame seemed to be towards those, the difference between the haves and the have-nots. So it's sort of about allowing that to release, because that doesn't, it's sort of when we focus on what we don't have, we're more likely to get more of what we don't have. So you've got to release that anger about that time in your life, because it's gone, it's over. You're entitled to choose your life in the here and now. Yeah. Sorry, I lost the end of our balance. I don't know what happened, but it was only like 5 minutes or something anyway. So talk to you guys soon. Thanks, Blaise. And thanks, guys.